Hello everyone, welcome back to our English class. So in this lessons, we are going to learn something very important in English. It's called the simple present tense. We use this tense every day when we talk about what we do, what we like, and things that are always true. Don't worry guys, it's very easy and let's start together.
Okay, what is simple present tense? We use simple present tense to talk about things we do regularly atau hal-hal yang kita lakukan berulang kali seperti kebiasaan dan things that are always true, yaitu hal-hal yang selalu benar atau fakta umum. Let's look at some examples. First, I go to school every day. This sentence means I do these things regularly. Saya pergi ke sekolah setiap hari itu kebiasaan. That's why it uses simple present tense. Second, the sun rises in the east. This is a fact and it never change. Bukan cuma kadang-kadang, tapi selalu benar. That's why we use simple present tense. Another one is, my mom cooks breakfast every morning. This is also a routine. Something she does every day. Makanya pakai simple present tense.
Now, let's learn the three forms of the simple present tense. First is positive or affirmative, and the second negative, and the third or the last is questions or interrogative. The first one is positive form, so the formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object. For example, I play football every day, yang artinya saya bermain bola setiap hari. Kenapa ini simple present? Because it shows a habit or routine, or something you do every day. Dalam kalimat ini ada kata everyday yang menunjukkan sebuah kebiasaan bahwa saya ini bermain sepak bola setiap hari. Now we have negative form. So the formula is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. For example, I do not play football on Sunday, yang artinya saya tidak bermain sepak bola di hari Minggu. This shows a habit too, but in the negative form. Ini menunjukkan sebuah kebiasaan hanya saja dalam bentuknya negatif. The last is question form, so the formula is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. For example, do you play football? This sentence asks about someone's habit, atau dalam kalimat ini bermakna apakah kamu bermain sepak bola secara rutin? Now be careful with do and does. Ada aturan penting mengenai do dan juga does. We use do for I, you, they, we, dan sesuatu hal yang lebih dari satu, and does for he, she, it, atau sesuatu yang hanya satu. For example, do they study English every day? Why simple present? Atau kenapa ini simple present? Karena kita bertanya mengenai aktivitas yang dilakukan setiap hari. And the next example is, does he go to school by bike? Ini juga simple present karena kita menanyakan kebiasaan seseorang atau sebuah rutinitas seseorang. And remember guys, when we use does, we don't add s to the verb. So the correct one is, does he play piano? Not does he plays piano. Kalau sudah pakai does, kata kerjanya kembali ke dalam bentuk dasar atau verb 1. Jadi kita nggak perlu menambahkan s karena does sendiri sudah menunjukkan bahwa subjeknya she, he, dan juga it.
So, when do we use simple present tense? There are three main uses. First, habits or routine. For example, he brushes his teeth after breakfast. Ini adalah rutinitas harian, jadi simple present tense. Second, facts or general truths. Contohnya, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. It's a scientific fact, fakta ilmiah. Jadi, ini adalah simple present tense. Third, adverbs of frequency. Kata seperti always, usually, often, sometimes, never, or every day Mereka adalah menunjukkan seberapa sering kita melakukan sesuatu. For example, she always drink tea in the morning. Karena dia selalu minum teh tiap pagi, maka ini menunjukkan kebiasaan. Jadi ini adalah simple present tense. Now let's talk about verb rules atau aturan kata kerja. If the subject is I, you, we, or they, we use the base form of the verb. For example, they play football. Artinya mereka bermain sepak bola setiap hari. So the verb is play. No s because the subject is they. Karena they adalah jamak, jadi cukup pakai play. But if the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or es to the verb. For example, he plays football. We add s because the subject is he. Karena subjeknya he, tambahkan s di verbnya. All of these are routines or habits. Jadi, contoh yang tadi adalah simple present tense. Okay, let's review together. First, we use simple present tense for habits, routines, and facts. Second, we use do for I, you, we, they, and does for he, she, it. Third, add s or es only for he, she, it in positive sentences. Great job everyone! You've learned so much. Remember to practice speaking English every day, even just a little bit. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next